Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, if you want to swap your face with celebrities' face, or if you want to make certain funny memes and GIF with your face, then you can do it with help of Deepfake application. Friends, on Play Store, there are so many applications are available to do this. Friends, in today's video, we are going to use Reface application for creating deepfake videos. Friends, deepfake is about replacing the person's face in existing video or image with someone else's face. Friends, Reface application is one of the most advanced application which is used for creating deepfake videos. It comes with lot of source videos, GIFs and pictures to play with. You can make realistic face swap videos and GIFs with help of this advanced photo animator application. Originally, this application was known as Duplicate. Now, developers rename it to Reface App. This app is based on Reface artificial intelligence algorithm. Reface artificial intelligence algorithm is based on generative adversarial networks, that is GAN model, which is used within this application for face swapping. Friends, with this application, your photograph is mapped onto another face in the realistic way with convincing facial expressions and movements that truly look like you. You can paste your face on the face of TV stars, celebrities, or on movie characters. To use this application, all you need to do is capture your photograph, or you can select your photograph from gallery as well. In few seconds, the app will superimpose your face on GIF or on selected video. The generated face swap clip can be saved to the gallery, or it can be shared on various social media platforms immediately. So for this, first of all, visit the Play Store and search for Reface application. So once you install this application, open this application. Friends, after opening this application, such kind of interface will appear in front of you. So immediately you can start swapping your face on this given movie clips or on this given GIF images. So here, if you swipe to left side, you can see various GIF images as well as various videos with which you can swap your photograph. Okay. Now to swap your photograph with GIF or with certain video, you need to first of all tap on this plus icon. Then it will help you to select the photograph which you want to swap. So for example, these are certain dummy faces which are generated from artificial intelligence. So I will select this face. Now it is analyzing the selected face, after which it will present us various videos with which we can swap this face. Depend on network speed, it will take certain time in order to analyze the selected face. So friends, here you can see the face is analyzed and now it is presenting us this certain animations which we can select. So for example, I will select this animation. So you need to click on reface. So you can see now it is refacing the selected face within the given animation. So you can save this video like this. So you can see the video is saved to gallery, or you can share this video to various social media platform. So friends, here you can click on see all and it will show you all the available animation. Friends, you can also swap your selected face with videos. So here under top 100 section, you can see the list of videos they have given with which you can swap the selected face. So for example, I will show you. Let's try to select this section, and here I will select the face from gallery. Okay, so I will select this face like this. Now friends, you can see here the face is selected. Now just tab on the video. So friends, here you can see the selected photograph is mapped on the another face, that is the face of actress, in such a realistic way and with certain convincing facial expressions and movements. So friends, you can share this generated clip or you can download clip. Friends, if you want to upload your own GIF files in order to swap faces, then you need to purchase the pro version of this Reface application. Then you will be able to upload your own GIF files as well. Like this, we can create the deepfake video with help of this Reface application. You can swap your photograph with GIF, with video, or with any picture given within this application. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.